Welcome to DIY Solar Homestead. Got to show you around the indoor garden. Looks like this lettuce is ready to harvest. And I got some bugs in here. Troll Forge, I think that's what happened into these strawberries. Troll Forge told me to go ahead and use 1 drop of dish soap. I don't know why that's flashing. I'll have to tighten it up. Make sure it's screwed in. 1 drop of dish soap for every quart of water. So I decided I was going to take dish soap and add a little extra water so it's not so soapy. Because soap takes the oxygen out of water. So I watered the plants with that. Not too soapy. And things are a little better. And I have carnivorous plants. This one, and I'm not quite sure if that lid closes, if a bug gets in there, because some lids are open. Let's see if I can do this without pushing any buttons. This one is wide open. The rest aren't so far open. They're closed, some of them. There's your Venus flytrap. This one died. I had it downstairs for too long. And there's 2 more carnivorous. Can't see it too well with that grow light. But anyway, that's all helping. A little bit of dish soap into the water. And I need to harvest this. You probably can't see it. Kale is still good on the top. The bottom leaves have died. I'm going to get in there and I'm going to harvest some of that on a salad tomorrow along with this lettuce. But the pineapple that I cut just a few weeks ago has all kinds of roots coming in. So that's really cool. Short and sweet. I'm going to get probably another dozen dishes planted, or get the seeds soaking. I got a lot more trays like this that have lids on them. Carrots are coming up. I forget what else. What do we got? Cabbage, celery, onion, Swiss chard. I don't see any onion coming up. And carrot in this one alone. That one I think is all kale. So I want a little bit coming up at a time. And I won't be able to eat a whole package of celery when it's all ready to harvest all in 1 week. So a little bit at a time. This pepper is coming up really good. I have 2 back there. They must be getting close to 4 foot tall. They're flowering. I was told to get an electric toothbrush. And of course, keep a fan running, but so they can pollinate themselves. Get an electric toothbrush at the back of it, just to vibrate on the stalk, and that could possibly get that to fertilize itself. Because I don't have any bees. So, anyway, short and sweet. And have a nice sunny day.